For decades, the United Kingdom was not just another destination for Indians. It was the destination. Prestigious universities, strong post-study work options, better career prospects, and for many, a clear pathway to settling abroad. But that story is beginning to change. For the first time in years, Indians are now the largest group leaving the UK. Britain's immigration crackdown is tightening, the job market is cooling, visa rules are becoming stricter, and thousands of Indians are now rethinking whether the UK still offers the future they once imagined. According to new data from the UK's Office for National Statistics or ONS, Britain's net migration nearly halved last year. It fell to 171,000, down sharply from 944,000 the year before. And Indians are leading the outflow. Around 51,000 Indians who had moved to the UK for studies left last year. Another 21,000 Indians who had come for work also exited. Nearly 3,000 more left under other categories. That makes Indians the largest outbound nationality, ahead of Chinese nationals at 46,000, Pakistanis and Nigerians at 19,000 each, and Ukrainians at 18,000. Now, this shift matters because Indians are deeply woven into Britain's economy. They work across hospitals, technology firms, universities, and financial services. In many ways, Indian workers and students were central to Britain's post-pandemic recovery. But now, many are either completing their studies and returning home, struggling to secure long-term jobs, or questioning whether staying in the UK still makes financial sense. So what is pushing them out? Several pressures are converging at once. The UK has tightened visa scrutiny. Salary thresholds have risen. Dependents are now restricted on student visas. And post-study work pathways are becoming narrower. Then there is the cost of living crisis. Rents have surged, daily expenses have climbed, and the job market has slowed, especially after the post-pandemic hiring boom faded. At the same time, Britain's political messaging around immigration has become far tougher. That uncertainty is forcing many Indians to reconsider long-term plans. Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood has said the UK is restoring quote-unquote order and control to immigration. Labour has blamed the previous Conservative government for allowing migration to rise too sharply. Now, Britain is moving towards what it calls a more skills-based immigration system, and the impact is already visible. Non-EU work arrivals fell 47% last year, becoming the biggest reason behind the sharp drop in overall migration. But there is also a contradiction here. Even as Indians lead the departures, they still dominate Britain's major visa categories. Indians ranked first in health and care worker visa extensions with more than 107,000 approvals. They also led skilled worker visa extensions with nearly 90,000 approvals. So Britain's dependence on Indian talent remains very real. But at the same time, political pressure to cut migration is moving in the opposite direction. And that tension is now reshaping one of the world's most important migration corridors. Follow Business Standard for more stories.